Hey, and welcome. If you're planning to attend the Florida Show Choir Intensive, congratulations! Because what better way to spend an entire week doing what you love? Hey, I'm Brayshawna, and I know Orlando inside and out. And today, I'm going to be telling you all of the things you need to know. Where you'll be staying, what your week will look like, and why this intensive just works. So first things first. Location. We're right off of 192, which in Orlando speak means restaurants everywhere. Easy access. And you're basically neighbors with Walt Disney World Resort. So entertainment, shopping, attractions, it's all right here. This will be your home base for the week. One property, one hub. Rehearsals, shows, downtime, meals, all in one place, which means less running around and more enjoying the experience. To really understand the week, you need to meet the person who created it. So Dallas, can you explain show choir in a way that doesn't scare anyone?
Of course. So obviously show choir is just singing and dancing, right? Providing awesome choral techniques with performance techniques all together. It actually started in the 1970s, believe it or not, with the very first show choir competition happening in 1974 at Bishop Lewis High School in Indiana. It then continued to settle in, and the name show choir started to actually be at schools around the mid to late 80s and started to keep growing until we get to 2009 with the premiere of the new TV show, Glee. I know, and from there it just became really popular and all the schools wanted to have that, and we saw competition circuits blooming and building, except in the state of Florida, which is why we're hoping to bring that here.
Okay, so how does the Florida Show Choir Intensive build on that?
Well, sure. I mean, it's not just about performing and competition, right? It's about gaining confidence. It's about growing your skills and pushing yourself to your best potential. We want educators and students to come and learn as much as they can while having fun, so that by the time they go home, they not only feel better about themselves, but maybe better about their art craft and all their skills that they have.
And here's the best part. There's no single right way to attend. Some schools might attend with entire groups, while others might send select students. Some educators might attend without the kids. Locals can commute, and out-of-towners can stay on property with family or group chaperones. Make it work for you. Between sessions and activities, this resort offers 2 pools, a fitness center, and even an arcade that's presented by Chuck E. Cheese. Perfect for downtime. Oh, and did I mention there's even a shuttle to Disney, Universal, and SeaWorld? What more could you want? Okay, let's talk food, because everyone always asks. There are multiple dining options right on property, including a hot breakfast, a pizza restaurant, there's casual dining for lunch and dinner, and even a brand new Baskin-Robbins and Dunkin' Donuts. That alone deserves an applause. And outside of the resort, there are multiple restaurants all along 192. Okay, let's talk budgeting, because I love fun, but I also love a budget. Number 1, if you share rooms up to 4 people, that is the best way for our attendees to get the most bang for their buck. Number 2, register early. There are early bird specials, so make sure you take advantage. Number 3, food flexibility. Bringing your own food, snacks, and drinks is the best way to keep those food costs low. Also, eat off property if you like. And one of my favorite tips is that you can extend our exclusive hotel rate a few days before or after the camp, so that you can turn this camp into your own Orlando vacation. How cool is that? All rehearsals, classes, and events are supervised by experienced educators and staff, with clear schedules and structured programming throughout the week. You can also check out some of our on-site vendors, from show choir costuming to performing arts programs, and maybe even some colleges. It's a great time to make some personal connections. During the week, this space will be transformed into a performing arts venue where you'll be able to see nightly entertainment and concerts. And then, at the end of the week, you will be performing all that you have worked on in a high-energy showcase. It's going to be a highlight for sure. From the location to the experience to the people, the Florida Show Choir Intensive brings it all together, and we can't wait to welcome you. So what are you waiting for? Register now and we'll see you there. Come on.